Brief stomp over here. Been a while since I've been to the Steinhatchee Falls. There's Miss Traveler. Looking sharp as usual. Looking sharp as usual, girl. It's that big old...
People don't come down here no more.
There's a lot of kayaking, as far as I know.
Huh?
Seems like there's a lot of kayaking. That's what they do most of now.
I wouldn't dare put my feet in that water. Look at it.
That's so stagnant. It's moving, but it ain't moving that fast, is it? Oh, even though the falls is up out of the water, ain't it? Look how it's cut back under that bank.
Remember the kids used to jump out. That tree right there actually has fell.
Yep. You see the steps going up that cypress there where people used to do it there.
Yeah.
Look at the fall. I'll go down here maybe and get a few pictures. Yeah. Hey, you can sure tell it's low. Usually the part you see there in the middle that's dry has got water flowing over it too. Got a bunch of limbs in the water behind it that's eventually going, when we get a good rain, they're going to be coming down that river. Be careful, girl, don't slip down. We already got skin up knees from the beach yesterday.
You see it jump?
No, but I seen the wake aftermath of it. See those lily pads growing. Shouldn't be nothing growing right there if it was flowing right. You even got some grass growing on the rocks, look.
Yeah.
Travelers put in to walk the trail. So just one of the trails here at Steinhatchee here shortly. Maybe.
Like that, do you?
No, it ain't when it's flowing good. Something just jumped off a limb. Yeah, she's definitely low. Look at that old tree. I would say that was probably brought here during the storm surge, but I don't know that. Oh, erosion. That's where all the water would have been running
They
off the
jump out
bank.
this tree now.
Yeah. A rope swing, ain't it? Yeah, you can see the old step cleats going right up it, can't you? You get up there, I'll video it.
Well, I bet you would.
You chicken?
Yeah, I'm chicken.
You smart girl. I wouldn't either. There was a time though.
Oh, it's getting too closed in down there.
Easing back. We hadn't even planned on coming on the trails, really. We was just gonna stop at the falls. We didn't come probably a couple hundred yards down this one.